Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is our channel where we show you how life is in Lucca.
And in the Tuscan hills.
I love cooking traditional food.
And we love exploring our beautiful part of the world.
So please subscribe and welcome
to Piazza Talk Lucca. After our video a few weeks ago showing our garden, which of course is now different, many people have asked us for a tour of the house. So here goes. We'll take you into the house this time and show you our Tuscan farmhouse. It dates back to 1600. It's above Bagni di Lucca and it looks over 9 chains of mountains. However, at the moment we're in the entrance, which has good parking for 3 to 4 cars, plus there is an extra parking, so lots of parking. So let's go and explore the house and garden. So you enter on the left, on the bottom floor, as is traditional of these Casa Colonica, we have the cellars, and the first cellar at the moment is used as a laundry room. The second cellar is used as a serra or a lemonaio, a lemon house where the lemons are stored in the winter months, and there's also a wood store and a boiler room. There's an original pizza oven that needs to be relined, but it's beautiful and it was used to make bread traditionally. This was the wine cellar. And this is perhaps the most beautiful part of the house, the view. It stretches over 9 horizons of mountains, and you can see right to the Carrara Mountains. Down in the valley is Bagni di Lucca. And this house is just situated 10 minutes walk outside the village of Bonabbio. The land here stretches right down to the road that leads to the village. Here is the table, outside table, and this is a beautiful shady spot under bay trees that are hundreds of years old and provide wonderful shade in the summer. The pool shares the amazing view and is situated above the house olive grove. The pool is especially in a dark colour so that it doesn't provide an eyesore with the beautiful soft green of the olive trees. This is the old stables and the room with all the pool equipment and pumps. All traditional Casa Colonica have these beautiful stairs, and the perfume of the jasmine is just overwhelming. The main entrance opens straight into the sitting room, where there's a wood-burning stove for winter months that also manages to heat the kitchen. It has the original terracotta floors. The sitting room has the original chestnut beams with the terracotta between them. And there's also a bit of what's called arte povera, which was done by the original family who had the farmhouse. A lot of the windows in this house are the original windows. Also outside the shutters are scuro, and they're very important because they keep this house warm in winter and cool in summer. The sitting room leads into the kitchen, which is very traditional. It's got a huge table that holds 12, or seats 12, I should say. And the window has its original fastenings and shutters. There's a cooking fireplace and also a washing font. The marble top is an antique bar top, and the tiles are traditional hand-painted Lucchese tiles. Baskets have always hung from Tuscan beams, and they were used for storing foods to keep them away from mice. Off the kitchen is the main bedroom, with the bed placed in front of the window so you can enjoy the perfect view. In the corner of this room is a traditional terracotta stove. Off the main bedroom is a shower room. Which is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom and leads into what at the moment is being used as a children's bedroom. So this is our children's bedroom. It was my daughter's, so it's a bit of a time warp, but children seem to have a lot of fun in here. The house at the moment is arranged as 6 bedrooms. So it's divided into 2 wings, the house. That wing which has the master bedroom and the children's room, and this wing. So it actually works very well if you, in winter, and you're just a small number of people or a couple, you can close off this part of the house. It is a good size double bedroom with a traditional cupboard that I guess was once a door, but now has become a wardrobe. And it has its own ensuite bathroom that's very similar to the other shower room. And all the rooms in the house have this amazing view. There's a little back hall which has another wood burning stove, which is really useful because in the mid-season it just takes the chill and keeps this part of the house a nice temperature. Around the old window, it's just a little bit of fun stenciling. And then there's the staircase that leads to the upper floor. But first, let's explore this end. So this is the family bathroom. The house has 3 bathrooms, perhaps a little dated, but a good size. And this is a washstand that was in the house originally, from the original family. This is the smallest bedroom, but I'm very fond of it. It's got this rather lovely window with a place for holy water. These beautiful original windows with the integral inside shutters. So we've almost got triple glazing here. We've got outside shutters, glass, and then inside shutters. Now let's go to the upper floor. There's a little storage, well, actually quite a large storage area there. And at the moment, this is again used as 2 interconnecting bedrooms, but we used it as study and sitting area. But they're huge, beautiful rooms. And I just love these beams. And there's another storage area at the other end. So I hope you've enjoyed the visit to our house and you like it. It's purely a family home. It's just our family home. What more can I say?
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, leave a like and activate the notification bell. You just need a Google account and it's free. It helps our community enormously. Thank you very much.